Good morning, students. Here is Seema Sharma, PGT Biology from Surya School. Okay, students, as you know, it's a revision time and we are revising chapter Heat. In last lecture, we discussed about the property that help us to understand the difference between hot and cold object. Hot and cold object is heat, which is a form of energy. Like if we add heat to a substance, it becomes hot, and if we take heat away from an object, it becomes cold or like less hot. The more heat a body possesses, and the hotter it gets. But like, how do we find out how hot and cold a body is? We normally use sense of touch, right? We are touching the object and just realize that it is hot, it is cold object. However, this is not a very reliable method, right, of measuring the extent of hotness and coldness of a body. So like while measuring the weather bulletin, we often hear about the temperature of different places. A quantity temperature is reliable method to finding out how hot and cold body is, like body is hot or cold. So temperature is a like a very trustworthy method. It is a measure of degree of a hotness and coldness of a body. What is temperature actually? How can we identify, how can we define the temperature? Temperature is a measure of degree of hotness and coldness of a body. We already discussed about it, right? About thermometer, about the structure of thermometer. And so it's a very new thing that I want to discuss with you all. That is like thermometer. The temperature of body is measured by thermometer. Okay, the most common type of thermometers are alcohol thermometer or mercury thermometer. It's a new thing, alcohol and mercury. They are named so because of the liquid used in bulb. Like this is the bulb. So which kind of liquids used, so name is given accordingly, right? So firstly discuss about the advantages of mercury thermometer. You know, like mercury is a good conductor of heat, so quickly reaches the temperature of the surrounding. It catches temperature very quick and giving a result very quickly. It does not stick to the surface of the tube. Like this is tube, here is so it reaches highly and does not stick with the surrounding surface, right? So it's a therefore gives a quite accurate readings. It has a high boiling point and low freezing point. It can measure a wide range of temperatures. Its shining silver color is easily visible. We can easily see how the mercury rise upwards, right, or downwards. But there is some disadvantages of mercury thermometer. It has a highly freezing point. Like it has a approximately, it has a freezing point, not the highly freezing point, it's wrong. It has a freezing point approximately minus 39 celsius, and therefore cannot be used to measure very low temperature. We cannot measure very low temperature, right? Mercury and mercury is very poisonous and it's a very expensive. Now advantages of alcohol thermometers. Alcohol is cheaper, easily available, and it has a low freezing point. So we can use to measure very low temperature by the alcohol thermometers. And there's also disadvantages of alcohol thermometer. Alcohol has a low boiling point, minus 78 Celsius. So we cannot use to measure high temperature. With mercury, we cannot measure the very low temperature, but in alcohol, we cannot measure high temperature above 78 degrees Celsius. It does not react quickly to change in temperature. It takes so much time to give a accurate temperature. Since alcohol is colorless, so it need to be dyed before being used as a thermometer liquid. Like in a, if I'm talking about mercury, so it's a silver color, right? It's a shining silver color, so we can easily see, it's a very easily visible. But if I'm talking about alcohol thermometer, so it's a colorless, so before using it we have to dye it. It's a very time taking process. And now just put the thermometer in your mouth and check the temperature. Normal body temperature of human body is 37 degree, right? But Paheli measures her body temperature. She got worried as it was not exactly 37 degrees Celsius. So what happens sometimes, the temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It can be vary. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Actually, what we call normal temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy persons. Clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. Clinical temperature only used for a human body. It is a smaller in size with temperature range 35, because ranges differ for person 42 degrees Celsius. It's not usable below 35 degree and above 42 degrees Celsius. Okay, and these thermometers are used to measuring human body temperature. Normal human body temperature is about 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. These temperatures have a kink or slightly bend just about the bulb, as we discussed already about the clinical temperature, clinical thermometer. Okay, what kind of precautions we have to use? When we are using thermometer, clinical thermometer, very first wash the thermometer before and after use. Okay, and handle the thermometer with care to prevent breakage, so that it cannot be break. Use it very carefully. Hold the thermometer horizontally parallel to the floor at the eye level, right? So we can measure the things, measure the temperature correctly. Make sure the mercury level is below 35 degrees Celsius when before use. Do not touch the bulb of thermometer while reading. When we are reading the temperature, so do not touch the bulb. This is the precautions while reading the clinical thermometer. In today's lecture, we already discussed that I want to discuss with you all. In next lecture, I will discuss with you all laboratory thermometer. Thank you and have a nice day.